What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to review a couple of push ad notifications. So let's go.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I'm at the homepage of Anstrex, the spy tool for native, push, and recently also dropship. If you don't have an account for Anstrex yet, make sure to sign up. Just go to anstrex.com and you can get Anstrex native if you're interested in spying on native ads. Or since recently you can have Anstrex dropship for free to spy on dropshipping. But obviously, if you want to go into push traffic and push ads, you want to have Anstrex push to spy on other push notification ads. I already have an account, so I simply press log in and here we go. And today we are just going to review a couple of random ads here and there and see what's good about them, what's not good about them, review them so that you have some more handles to start up your very own push notification campaign. So first thing I'm going to do, we've got a lot of filters here and I'm not going to use any except for the one that says language, because I want to make sure that I can actually read whatever the ad is saying. Otherwise, if I don't know what is being said, I don't know whether it's a good ad or not. Alright, so here we go. We've got right here a Kenya offer. Online big data courses might be better than you think. Alright. So let's take a look at the creatives. Oh, actually quite a lot. Okay, the first thing that I notice is that it's the same picture on every campaign. And these campaigns go in different countries, right? So a couple of tips here. It might be possible that this affiliate has already tested his images and found out that the best result is within this image. But I doubt that's the case. Why? Because he uses the same image on every ad for all the different countries. And usually we tend to see some differences between geos. So for example, this might be the best working image in Italy, for example, but in Spain another image works a lot better than this image. So that really changes per geo, and you want to filter that on geo and test it on the different geos as well. That's one. The second thing that I notice right away is that it's all in English, even though not all ads are being run in English-speaking countries. So to get optimal results, make sure to make your ads in the same country, in the same language as the native tongue of the country that you want to perform in. And if that's not your native language, make sure to use a translation. Don't use Google Translate. It will have a lot of mistakes in there and it doesn't pick up on slang. So make sure to go with a verified translation service who makes use of people with a native tongue in whatever language you want to promote your ads in. Alright, so that was a good example on how not to promote in multiple geos for the same offer. Let's continue, let's look for something else. What is this? So this image is actually grabbing my attention because it's off. It's different than all the rest, right? And it is kind of bright, or at least his skin is popping off of the image because of the dark background. So it's an ad being run in France. Paris surgeon, easy method relieves ear ringing. So once again, if you're gonna run in France, quite a lot of people, if you look at it percentage-wise of Western European countries, then French people don't speak as much English as some other Western European countries. And on top of that, even though if 80% of the country speaks fluently English, I would still prefer running it in the native language of that country, in this case, French. So you will get better results if you would let this translated by a translation service. But let's look at the copy of the landing page. Talk doctor, do this to relieve tinnitus and fight ringing ears. Watch videos. It's a VSL. US doctors show one simple and natural method to fight tinnitus naturally and relieve ear ringing. If you or anyone you know is suffering from tinnitus, please watch this video presentation below. So what I do like about this copy is the wording of simple, natural method that fights. Right? So those are words that we use to make the audience feel like, okay, this is the thing. It's natural, it's simple. It's not going to take me a lot of effort, and it's completely natural, which makes us feel like it's safe. Right? Even though not all things natural are safe. I mean, a shark is natural, but it could eat you, so it's not safe. But the general human mind picks up natural as being safe. Alright? So words like that are perfect. And simple makes it very simple, right? So it's very simple to think of simple as something simple. So it doesn't take a lot of effort. Effort is something that we don't want to give. Especially not if it's something like a hearing problem. You don't want to have to put in effort to get it fixed. You want it to be plain and simple. So that's why I love wordings like that. Alright, other than that, there's not a whole lot. Obviously, there's a VSL right here. So what you could do, obviously this is a picture, right? It's not the video being embedded. It's a picture, and if you click on the picture, you will get redirected to the actual VSL, the video sales letter. So to get more clicks, I would put a YouTube play button or a Vimeo play button or any play button, to be honest, right here in the middle, to give the audience something to click on. That will give them more reason to click on this image because they want to start watching the video. So instead of just this call to action here, which is perfect, and a lot of people are going to click on the call to action as well, but you want to have a play button here, so if people, your audience, wants to click on the video because they want to play the video, they actually get redirected to actually watch the video. Alright, so get a play button on there. Other than that, the landing page looks pretty good. The headline could be better. The image is pretty good as well. It grabbed my attention, so that's good. Alright, let's continue. Let's see. Getting an online degree in New York might be cheaper than you think. Once again, I'm just picking these randomly. So we don't have any landing pages, I guess. No, we don't have any landing pages. That's too bad, but let's take a look at the creatives of this affiliate. So this is a lot better, right? Even though it's still multiple geos, we see some different pictures. So he's actually getting some different data. What I don't like about this picture is that they're all stock images. This is definitely a stock picture, right? Definitely, for sure, not a doubt about it. This is definitely a stock picture. This is not a person who just happens to be on her couch, being on her laptop. No, this is a model being staged this way to take this picture. Same goes here. This is staged. So to promote, you kind of want to give the feeling of like these are just regular human beings, no models, no actors, just regular folks just like you getting a degree online. That's it. That's the feeling that you want to give to your audience if you're promoting an offer like this. Let's take a look at the copy. Getting an online degree in Buffalo might be cheaper than you think. So, yeah, okay, so the copy is all the same on all these different ads. Once again, obviously, Brazil is not speaking English, so make this Portuguese. Italy is not speaking English, or at least natively, right? So make this Italian. But other than that, the copy is okay, the images are okay, but a lot of room for improvement on this affiliate's site and his ads. Let's scroll down a little more. I'm just going to randomly stop somewhere, so I'm going to use this to make it a little bit more exciting. Alright, here we go. What is this? Whoops, I wanted to open the ad, but okay. This telescope is revolutionary. Allows you to magnify 300 times. So what I like about this image, it looks weird, right? It looks weird, which is why it attracts the interest of the user. What I don't like about this image is that there's not a whole lot of contrast. It's basically all black and white and nothing really pops out. The only thing that's really popping is his phone because he got a red phone case, but it's still not bright red. So there could be some improvement on that. Let's take a look at the landing page. Same picture. I personally don't like that. Now this looks pretty dope. Gives you an example. Yeah, looks like maybe it's even direct link. Is it direct linking? No, it's not direct linking, but it's okay. It's not great. There's nothing really popping out, and if somebody would scroll through it just like me, you get what it's about, right? It's about zooming in even better and even more, but does it really grab the attention to start reading the whole text? Personally, I don't think so. Maybe if you're into photography, but if you're into photography, you probably wouldn't take pictures with your phone, right? So, meh, it's okay, but not great. I love pictures like this. Why? Because it looks gross. So, anything that looks gross is actually pretty good if you want to pick up clicks. So let's take a look what this offer is all about. Hearty crockpot cowboy soup. That's the headline. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it's a weight loss offer. I don't know if it's I don't even know what they're selling. Are they selling cowboy soup? Crockpot cowboy soup? Weak headline. Alright? So the picture is okay if this was a weight loss offer. Or a keto offer, right? It would be like, eat this and lose X amount of pounds a day, or whatever. And then because it looks so disgusting, they'll be like, oh, but maybe it works, right? Because it looks disgusting. Even though this doesn't look disgusting enough to really go for a weight loss offer. It just looks like a stew, but I like the fact that it's brownish. Brown food is always like, That first reaction on brown food is like, I don't know. Except when it's chocolate. Then everybody all of a sudden loves it. Alright, let's do one more, shall we? Let's see. Prepare to gasp when you see this dress. Okay. The 15 cancer-causing foods to avoid. That is a strong headline. That is a strong headline, for real. Now, I don't think this picture really speaks to the headline. I don't know if that's a perfect combination. You probably need to run some tests to see what image is working best. But maybe this affiliate already did that and this image is performing best. I don't know, could be. But that headline is pretty strong. I wonder what kind of offer it is. Let's take a look. No landing page available. Alright, no worries. Shall we do one extra bonus one? Sure, why not? Because this one was so short, right? Alright, Taiwan, a 40+ dating site you'll wish you tried sooner. Once again, try to keep it in the native tongue. But other than that, the picture has some bright colors. Not great. It all kind of fades away, right? So her skin tone, her jacket, her hair is all kind of the same color. And that's fine. I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. But because it's such a zoom up, that's the only color that we get. We have a little bit of the blue line in the trees here, but it's faded, it's far, and it's small. So this would be better if this was, for example, in the middle of the night with the light just on her. Then you have the black, and then you have all the light colors from her hair, skin tone, and jacket that pops out of that dark background. And in this case, it's just all light, and it doesn't really pop out. The headline, Taiwan, a 40+ dating site you'll wish you tried sooner. Okay, not extremely strong. Let's take a look at that landing page. If we have one, it's loading. Let's see if this affiliate uses a landing page. Or actually, we should be able to do it this way, no? Oh, those are a damn lot. Okay, that's probably all his landing pages, so we're not going to go through that. But maybe we can see it right here. Awesome. The exclusive dating site for single adults. Free registration for qualifying singles age 40 plus. To see if you qualify, please answer these 3 questions. So it's a quiz form. Are you a male or a female? Alright, it's too bad I cannot see the other 2, but maybe I can just visit the page and run it myself. Because the flow of the questions, it's very important with a Quizlander. So male or female, logical question, right? What age are you? So it's 40 plus, so it's only going to be 40 plus. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 plus. That's a logical question as well. Have you ever used an online dating site before? Yes or no? So that last question is not the... So the male or female question makes sense for a dating site, right? So nobody would have any doubts with that or whatever. So yeah, sure. What age? Perfectly fine question as well. And then here I would put in a question that would activate the user some more. So not have you ever used an online dating site before, but I don't know, something like, are you ready to get into a serious relationship if it hits on your first date? Whatever, something like that. Maybe not put first date in there, but something for them to get excited about. If you are visiting or if you are clicking on an offer for a dating 40 plus dating site, then they want to have a life partner, a soul partner. They want to find their companionship for their last somewhat years, right? So use that in your question, especially if it's the last question of your quiz form. Make them enthusiastic about what they're about to do. So in case of a dating site, make them excited about, are you ready to date some girls or date some guys or whatever and find the love of your life? Yes, hell yeah, let's go. Here's your offer, please pay. All right, so you want to make them excited about what you're going to offer them after they answer the question. And this, have you ever used an online dating site before? Does that make you excited? If you've never used a dating site before, does it make you excited to answer that question? If you've used dating sites before, does that make you excited to answer this question? No. No, personally to me, no. But if you put in, are you ready to meet your soulmate? Of course, nobody's going to answer no. Everybody's getting excited about it because that's the reason why they clicked on your ad. So use that and engage them and activate them to take the action that you want the user to take. Alright, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you had some valuable information in this video and in this review. But there will be more to come, so I will catch you later. Peace out.